Hey y'all, what's up? Guess what? A bitch got a new wig. So y'all already know what time it is. And okay guys, this is my newest wig that I have here. Hold on, I feel like my eyelash about to fall off. Okay, so this is the newest wig that I have. It's from Eayon Hair. They are an online vendor. You can purchase, I'm guessing, on AliExpress. Also for sure on Amazon.com. This is where mine was ordered from. Mine was actually gifted to me, so yeah, I can't tell y'all about the shipping experience. But yeah, this is the hair. I think it was, I'm pretty sure it was a 16-inch hair. Density is 130%. Now it is a little thin, but it still looks very natural, so I'm fine with it looking a little bit thin. But yeah, they do have the option to order it in a thicker density if that's what you want to do. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a spin around so y'all can get a good idea of what the back looks like. This hair came pretty much ready out of the pack. All I had to do was, you know, kind of flat iron it a little bit. I did do a part whenever I first got it, and it's a lace wig, so the lace goes all the way around the front, and there's some lace in the back, I believe, as well. I didn't really do nothing to prepare to wear this. Like, I don't bleach knots, I don't pluck parts, like, I don't have time for that. So if that's how you feel about wigs, then you will love this wig. Go ahead and order you one, girl, because all you gotta do is bump the ends and you good. But yeah, I didn't want to make anything long. I just wanted to do a brief talk through on this hair and just let y'all know what I was wearing, because I have been getting a lot of questions on it. This is how much it shed with me straightening it today. So if you are somebody that doesn't like shedding, then this may not be the one for you. But yeah, I love it. And if you guys have any specific questions about the hair or anything like that, drop them below in the comment box, and then I'll answer them either in the comment box or in a future video. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this brief little snippet of whatever. If so, thumbs up the video. Make sure you are subscribed. Go ahead and share this video wherever you want to. Give me some additional views, y'all. But yeah, and I'm gonna put all of my social media in the description box below, so y'all can go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, like whatever y'all rock with. I'm on everything. So thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to check out my other wig review that I did on the Vivica A. Fox Sarah wig. I'll also put that in the description box below. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.